In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Netsuite using the Oracle Netsuite ERP connector. This integration is an official solution offered by Oracle, and it's designed specifically to help medium to large-size stores manage their operations more seamlessly. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to synchronize products, inventory, orders, customers, refunds, and even gift cards between Shopify and Netsuite, creating a more efficient and unified workflow. First, let's talk about why this integration is beneficial. Managing data across two platforms can be time-consuming and error-prone. By integrating Shopify with Netsuite, you're effectively streamlining your operations. You'll reduce the manual entry of data, minimize errors, and have access to real-time updates across both platforms. This means you can focus more on running your business and less on managing data. Now, to start the integration process, you'll first need to visit the Shopify App Store. Once you're there, search for the Oracle Netsuite ERP connector. This app is specifically designed to link your Shopify store to your Netsuite account. It's an official Oracle solution, providing a reliable and secure connection between the two systems. After you've located the app, go ahead and install it by clicking on the Add App button. You'll then need to authenticate your Shopify account details, so make sure you're logged in as an admin on your Shopify store. Follow the prompts to grant any necessary permissions. This will allow the connector app access to sync data between Shopify and Netsuite. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to integrate your Netsuite account. Make sure you have your Netsuite login credentials handy, as you'll need them to proceed with the integration. Log into your Netsuite account and grant the necessary permissions when prompted. This step ensures that the ERP connector can access the data it needs to sync between platforms efficiently. Now, with both accounts connected, you can configure the sync settings according to your business needs. You have the flexibility to choose exactly what data you want to sync. Whether it's products, inventory, orders, customers, refunds, or gift cards, configure the settings to suit your operations best. It's important to take the time to review your options here to make the most of the integration capabilities. Then, you'll want to initiate your first data sync. This can usually be done directly from the app interface in Shopify. Check to ensure that your data is flowing correctly between platforms. It's a good idea to test this with a few orders or inventory updates to verify that everything is syncing smoothly. Finally, keep in mind that regular maintenance checks can help ensure everything continues to function properly. Check your integration settings periodically and keep both your Shopify and Netsuite apps updated to the latest versions. This ensures you're always taking advantage of the latest features and improvements. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Shopify with Netsuite using the Oracle Netsuite ERP connector. This powerful integration helps you manage your store more effectively, providing a seamless bridge between your sales platform and enterprise resource planning system. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!